Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious caramel bread popcorn. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 8 slices of bread, half a cup of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of butter. Also, have ready 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. For an extra touch, consider 1 tablespoon of ghee and a tiny pinch of salt. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the bread. Begin by removing the crust from your bread slices, then cut them into small, uniform cubes, about 1 centimeter in size. Next, you'll want to toast these bread cubes until they are wonderfully golden and crispy. You can do this in a pan with a tablespoon of ghee, or bake them in an oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Remember to let them cool completely. With our bread ready, it's time for the star of the show, the caramel sauce. In a separate pan, combine half a cup of sugar with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Heat this over medium heat, allowing the sugar to melt and transform into a beautiful amber color without stirring. Once caramelized, carefully add 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of milk, stirring continuously until you have a smooth, rich, and thick caramel sauce. We're almost there. Once your caramel sauce is perfectly thick, remove it from the heat and quickly add your cooled, crispy bread cubes. Gently toss everything together, making sure every single bread cube is beautifully coated in that warm, sweet caramel. Finally, spread your caramel bread popcorn onto a sheet of parchment paper, separating the pieces. Let them cool completely at room temperature, and they will become wonderfully crunchy and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.